Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Funkin at Freddy's and Afton full week on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will enable two settings on our Chromebook to increase the performance of the game. To do this, we will go to these pages and enable the settings. The links are in the video description. Now we will reboot our Chromebook. Now we will turn on Linux apps. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the advanced section on the left panel. Now we click on the developers section. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal that will install the game. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will enable 32-bit architecture on your system. Press Enter. Now we will update the system repositories of our Linux container. Now we need to install Wine. Wine is an application that allows us to install some Windows applications in Linux. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Now Wine will create some files and folders which are required. Now we will download the game. Now we will unzip the game. To launch the game, we need to run the last command every time in a terminal. Let's do it now. Enjoy!